A common question we get is how to find records in need of transcription. So we'll try to answer that in this video, while also showing you a little bit more about how the catalog works. We'll also introduce you to a new tool that should make finding pages to transcribe easier. Now you might already know that any record in the catalog can be transcribed. We organize some records into missions to make it easier to find something to work on. Here we have the papers from the War Relocation Authority. Right now this is a small mission with only 12 records, and that number will change because when a record is completely transcribed, we remove it from the mission. We do that by hand, so it's not instant, but every weekday we look through the missions and take out the completed ones. So the vast majority of records in each mission have at least one page still to be transcribed. Let's click on the first one. Here, between the record's title and the digital object viewer, you can see several bits of information about the record. Over here on the right, we've added a transcription summary showing how many pages are in the document and how many of those have been transcribed. So for this record, we can see that 447 pages out of 447 pages have transcriptions. So this document has been transcribed completely, and it will soon be removed from the mission. So let's see what the next document looks like. This document shows 320 pages out of 402 pages have transcriptions. Some of the records have a PDF as the last image in the record, so I'll scroll down to show you that. So here it is. That's simply a collection of all the individual pages into one file for easier download. And you can actually see that indicated up here where it shows one file. This PDF should not be transcribed. So sometimes the transcription summary could say 401 out of 402 records have transcriptions, but really the transcription is done. I should also say it's possible that you'll see, say, 24 out of 25 pages transcribed, and someone could be working on that last page just as you're looking at it. Don't worry, you'll be able to see that because the page will be locked. So the transcription summary tells you how many pages have been done, but now we have to find which pages still need to be transcribed. Here, above the image, you see the word transcription, and next to it the word available. That means a transcription has been done. We want to find one that says not started. Now, for transcriptions, we go page by page, so that word available refers only to this page, not the whole record, which, as we said, has over 400 pages. So how do we find which pages still need to be transcribed? Well, you don't need to click through the pages one by one. If you look over here, there's a button that says Show Details. Let's click on that. This shows the images in a gallery view. Over here in the middle of the screen, you'll see Grid and List. You're in the grid view now, so let's switch over to List. Now we have this column here that shows whether or not each page has been transcribed. And it's pretty easy to scroll through the whole document this way. So here, page 97 has not been started. So I'll click on the thumbnail for the image and wait for the image to load. Then I can close the list view, open the transcription box, and I'm ready to start transcribing. Volunteers have asked, why can't we remove the completed pages? And the answer is that there is only one user interface for the catalog, whether you're using it to transcribe or do research. So we can't filter out completed pages. In addition, we encourage you to look through the entire document. It can often help decipher difficult words or phrases, or you might find pages that are incomplete. I hope this showed you an easier way to find pages to transcribe. You can always contact us at catalog@nara.gov.